Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. For those of you, Zed, get up, it's time. It's already 7:30. Just switch off the alarm, man. Alright, for those of you who are new around here, my name is Zed Desai. I'm a final year medical student currently studying in BIMS Belgavi. Today's video is going to be a visit to the district health office where we are volunteering for a work that they need us for. You won't know at this point of time, but you will surely know as the video progresses. So I head in to get freshened up. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So I get dressed up, comb my hair, particularly very excited because today I'm going to get to meet my friends and also get to know something new and learn something new. Some cliche transitions and we are set to go. Right, so we made it to the DHO office, but apparently there is some meeting because of which nobody is here yet, and I have parked my vehicle in a no parking area, so I'm going to get them back. Today with me I have around 9 people including me, and Chachaji, welcome to the new vlog. So here is the point that we were briefed about what we had to do. It was basically deleting the unwanted entries, and as for the papers that we're looking at, don't believe us, it's all for the camera. Yes, there was nothing in that. So I am managing the keyboard. Before that, Zed clearly forgot to tell you, but we were divided into groups of 2 and we were the remaining 3 who got one system, and now we can continue. Aniket is looking at the names and Rahul is looking at the cursor. Ooh, so now it's work time. Now that's what I'm talking. Apparently photos are more important. Well, we eventually started working. Our very own mouse man, I'm running the keyboard shortcuts, and here we are entering the data. Now that I've explained you what all we are about to do, a classic time lapse to show how hard we were working. That's right. Alright, so we just took a short break. We have 1200 entries to sort. We are currently sorting the Taluk Raibag. To understand this better, a district is divided into taluks for administrative convenience. Belgavi is divided into 10 taluks. We are situated on 5 personal computers and each of us had a separate taluk to look into. We had Raibag, which had almost 1200 people that needed correction in their documentations. I am with Aniket and Rahul, and we just come out here for a short break after 300 entries. And this is the district health office. It's certainly there from a very long time. I'm not sure whether you can see it properly or not. Any thoughts, guys?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, montage time. This makes me nervous. Stop. This is far from a montage. But nonetheless, our water break turned out to be a break for everyone. We just came out, had some laughs and just messing around.
तुम लोग लास्ट सेव किए थे क्या? करंट जाने के पहले? We had saved at 305. हाँ? बेटा बेटी.
All said and done, we headed back to work, back to our stations. Time lapse number 2. Working tremendously hard. Guys, no, that's not what you're supposed to do. Don't remove your mask. Moving on, after working for quite some time, we decided to take a snack break, and my friend Shavani was kind enough to get us chapati and bhaji. Oh, also, if any of my juniors are watching right now, Shavani has something for you, so make sure that you're listening to the next bit very attentively.
Going
We
to do
can give it
voiceovers.
to our juniors when they want to tell, when they ask us for, memories, videos.
Open.
Open, no, that only I should do. This is so cool, man. Guys, I bought chapati and badari palya, nothing special. You didn't bring a jam bottle?
No, I was lying. I didn't bring it.
The ultimate test. Can he open this dabba?
Akka ले लिए.
अच्छा तुम लोग रोल बना रहे हो क्या?
ತಂಗಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಲೇ ಇಬ್ರು ಅಕ್ಕಗೊಳ್ದಂಗ ಒಬ್ಬ ತಮ್ಮ
ಅವನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್.
ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಾಕು.
Then we had the opportunity to look at a walk-in cooler and a walk-in freezer in person. We had studied about all of this in our PSM subject, and looking at the entire cold chain, the vaccines being stored in the system was certainly very nice. We were strolling around after having what Shravani had brought for us. We realized that the DHO office was kind enough to order lunch for all of us. खुशी देख रहे हो लौंडे के चेहरे पे. And even though we had food, who denies free food? We all started taking our plates, everybody grabbed their bags, and we were off. Not gonna lie, it actually felt so good forming the circle, eating together, talking, laughing, and of course heading back to work. In this time lapse, I didn't really take another one, so here's a repeat time lapse to show that we actually worked. After which it was time for a chai break, about which I think we had done about 700 entries. Still 500 more to go. But of course I have to ask others how they do.
ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಗುರು?
400, sorry 500.
500 and
It's around 500.
Clearly we were in the lead. Of course there was no competition, but how else do you think we would get through 1200 names? We just finished 1000 people, and now we're going out for a small walk. The entire day has been composed of taking more breaks. Let me continue on behalf of Zed. Yes, the entire day comprised more of taking breaks than actually working, but you don't blame us. It's a Sunday, we were stepping out after a very long time, but we did get our work done, and we had also sorted out 1000 people. We expected a good view also, but to our dismay, we found nothing. And then finally it was time, where we were going to enter our very last entry. Chacha ji, take it away.
चल भाई लास्ट इसका डुप्लीकेट है, 2 बार ले रहा है, डुप्लीकेट है.
हाँ करेक्ट.
चलो मैं जाता हूँ.
Guys, I'm done. Let's go.
Alright guys, if you made it this far, make sure to hit that subscribe button. यार अभी तक नहीं दबाया तो क्या कर रहे हो? Also hit that like button, share this channel with your friends, also ask them to subscribe. Oh wait, I didn't introduce myself. My name is also Zed, the alter ego version who's giving the voice overs. There's one more alter ego version who likes to speak Bhojpuri/Bihari. He does a tremendous job at it. You can check that out on my Instagram at @Zed_Desai99. The link will be in my bio. And remember, it's all about making the better you. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Take care, stay safe.